The all-new Volkswagen ID. Cross concept, compact electric SUV for the future. For 2025, Volkswagen, the largest EV supplier in Germany and Europe, is showing off the ID. Cross concept at IAA Mobility in Munich. This near-production compact electric SUV is designed to be just as good in the city as it is on long journeys, and it gives us a clear preview of the new Volkswagen generation. Small blue diamond exterior design. The ID. Cross debuts VW's new design language called Pure Positive. The idea is stability, likability, and what the design team calls secret sauce. Painted in a striking urban jungle green, it's meant to look modern, iconic, and instantly likable. The front and rear light signatures have a 3D effect, almost giving the impression of a smiling face. It recalls Volkswagen icons like the Golf and the VW bus, especially in details like the charismatic C-pillars and straight window line. Size-wise, it's compact at 4,161 mm long, 1,839 mm wide, and 1,588 mm tall, close to today's VW T-Cross, but with a longer 2,601 mm wheelbase. Concept-only touches include 21-inch Balboa wheels designed with Goodyear, paired with custom 235/40R21 tires that extend the rim design into the sidewall. Interior, a lounge on wheels. Inside, Volkswagen is going for a feel-good oasis. The 5-seater SUV has an airy, spacious cabin with 450 liters of boot space plus a 25-liter frunk. The vanilla chai interior creates a warm lounge-like vibe. Ambient lighting, configurable atmospheres with light, sound, and climate settings, and even real plants in the floating center console make it feel cozy and fresh. The seats can fold down completely to create a reclining lounge area, very reminiscent of the VW bus heritage. Digital tech is front and center. A 28 cm, 11-inch, digital driver display and a 33 cm, 13, infotainment touchscreen are lined up on one axis for clarity. The new multifunction steering wheel uses simple, clear buttons for direct functions, plus natural voice control for ease of use. Small blue diamond performance and EV technology. The ID. Cross rides on the updated MEB Plus platform, which brings new hardware and smarter software. Power comes from a front-mounted 155 kilowatts, 211 PS. Electric motor with integrated power electronics. Range, up to 420 kilometers WLTP, ideal for both city commuters and longer family trips. Towing capacity, 1,200 kilograms braked, with a 75 kilograms drawbar load, meaning you can carry 2 e-bikes or tow a small camper trailer. The new MEB Plus architecture will also bring improved travel assist, over-the-air updates, and better efficiency. Small blue diamond positioning. The ID. Cross is one of 4 new entry-level EVs Volkswagen is rolling out with the brand group core, VW, Seat/Cupra, Skoda, VW commercial vehicles. Alongside the upcoming ID. Polo and ID. Every one, this SUV is meant to democratize electric mobility. The production model will debut in summer 2026, with market launch soon after. White heavy checkmark in summary. The Volkswagen ID. Cross concept is compact, practical, and stylish, combining city-friendly size with big interior space, an inviting lounge-style cabin, and 420 kilometers of range. With its new design language and focus on affordability, it's clear VW wants this to be the all-electric successor to the T-Cross, but with a much bolder personality.